Okay. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. As you already know, this is Echo. And in this week, I'll be looking at the market, obviously. Firstly, I want to say welcome to this week's live session. So I want to be looking at the few pairs, EURUSD, maybe GBPUSD, dollar, gold, if time permits. But for now, we're starting with EURUSD. So get yourself a chair and a bottle of soda and enjoy while I analyze this market. So welcome, guys. So this is EURUSD and we're on the weekly time frame, obviously. So I just want to give a quick recap. So last week I said I was expecting price, or 2 weeks ago I said I was expecting price to sell off, which price sold. Last week I still said I wanted seeing price sell short term, then buy long term. If I'm not mistaken, I guess the video is still here on YouTube. You can go back to it and watch it for reference purposes, actually, and not for show off. So now this is a new month, obviously. So we are on the weekly. And for me, I would say we have let's just say we have this weekly let me call it fair value gap or imbalance, whatever, fair value gap, right? We have it here, which I was anticipating to see the market sell off into this region, then buy my order. But now it didn't hold, so I'll have to take this off. So because we're looking at this week already. So I'll pretty leave all these ones, all these markings here. So now let's quickly go down to the daily so we'll see what I'm expecting. Or can I just take this off so I don't get confused, my chart doesn't get messy and dirty. So, okay. Right now I'm seeing price print out something on the daily, which I'm interested in. Actually, I'm seeing price print out. Let me take out this, let me take out this, or let me leave with your how we end daily high. So I've seen price create a pattern, right? Which I'm also interested in taking. I'm looking out to sell, to buy long term, to buy rather. And also this period, the market, like I said the market will consolidate for a bit. That was what I said 2 weeks ago. I said the market will consolidate, and so far so good. We've been seeing consolidation from this point to this point to this point. Now, in this kind of market, you just don't want to hold your trade for long, so you don't get caught up in a trap, right? So now, what's that pattern I'm seeing, like I was saying, right? Now we can see, where's my, now you can see that price was bearish and now it's turning bullish. So obviously, we had something like this in the market, right? We had something like this in the market. So I'm going to give this like this. Now we see price did stop like this. And now we're currently playing around here, right? So this is here, obviously here, this is here, this is it. Here, we came back down, this is the point. Here, this is representing this place. We came back down here, which is here, and here, giving us this, and now we're consolidating, which is this point. So now, this is the pattern I'm seeing price give us, right? So I'll take that off so my chart is not messing. So now on the daily, we've seen that, okay, this is obviously a daily low. Call this a daily low, right? For those of you that would really want to know how I mark out my daily or how to choose my daily low, weekly high, daily low, and all those kind of things, I teach this in my mentorship. Feel free to send me a DM. I'll also post a link to my free Telegram channel, which you can join and benefit from all of this. So back to what I was saying, the daily low I'll mark it out here. Now, having it been that price has given us this, which broke out, and now we're coming back down to, or we came back down rather to this point to create another. What am I expecting? I want to see buys. I want to see buys. Obviously, right? I want to see buys because now price has given us a break of structure, a change of character here, meaning it wants to continue going up, right? It wants to continue going up. So most likely this price, I'm interested in seeing more buys rather than sells. I'm interested in seeing more buys than sells. If price should break this point, it has violated, yes, to me, it has violated my buy bias. If price should come around this point, it's still understandable. I can still looking forward to see more buys, right? Or if it comes to this point, it has violated my bias, my sell my buy bias. So I'll be looking forward to go short more. So, but short term, let's go down to the 1 hour time. You guys can still see how price is shrinking and building up liquidity, right? Building up liquidity around this area. I want to see, for me, I want to see price. I'm bullish on GBP, on Euro USD, sorry. Bullish on Euro USD. I'm bullish on Euro USD. Pretty much bullish on Euro USD. So I don't want to just make this video very bulky so everybody can watch it here on YouTube and benefit from it. So I want to see more buys this week on Euro USD. Let's jump down to GBP USD so we don't waste time. Okay, pretty much similar thing to GBP USD. I always say GBP USD and Euro USD work hand in hand. They move alike. Just that one moves faster than the other. And now GBP USD might already be giving us a bullish pattern, right? Might be giving us a bullish pattern already, and it has formed it. While Euro USD is trying to form it same way. Most times is the other way. But then these guys are showing us pretty much the same thing. They are pretty much showing us like the same move, just that one moves faster than the other. So if I'm bullish on Euro USD, obviously I'll be bullish on GBP USD. Let's go down to the weekly time frame so we'll see it clearly. Saying that this fair value gap around here on the monthly, there's a fair value gap here on the monthly, right? So for me, I was expecting price to fill it up, which he already came down very well. He came back down to a very good region. So me, I want to see more. If you, those people that trade trend line, at this point, you'll be very confused because you don't even know which of the trend lines to take because it's not really clear, right? Because it's not really clear. So if you check it very well, this is not the kind of trend line I like to use, but it's pretty much still bullish. So I want to see price do this. It has done this for us, done this for us, came back down here, here, giving us this. I want to see price give us more bullish leg. Get more bullish leg on GBP USD, Euro USD. So let's go down to DXY. So okay, pretty much easy. DXY is bearish. Remember when I said I want to see price fill up this imbalance around here, right? Price gave us this, came back and tapped into this imbalance and mitigated it, right? It mitigated the imbalance and the selling off. So pretty much easy. If we're bullish on GBP USD, Euro USD, then DXY, which is the dollar index, is the inverse of those two pairs, meaning if GBP USD and Euro USD is buying, right? If GBP USD and Euro USD is buying, let's take for instance, this is GBP USD and Euro USD, this is the pattern they're forming. I want to see an inverse. So I want to see an inverse, right? I want to see an inverse. So this is pretty much what I will be saying on DXY. The inverse of this. This is GBPUSD / EURUSD. This is what DXY would be printing. The inverse is always the inverse of it. So if you turn your laptop upside down, I'm not saying you can turn it upside down, but if you look at it upside down, you'd see that this is printing out similar thing. So if we're bullish on or bearish on DXY, we are bullish on those other guys, those two pairs. I'll be looking for opportunity to buy or to take any trade on these guys, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and I'll be posting it out. I'll be posting my forecast on the free channel. Feel free to join my free Telegram channel, and so you don't miss out and you get to benefit from this. And also, yeah, this month is my month, and I already said I'll be giving out crazy, in fact, massive slash on both my mentorship and Signal and yeah, account management and copy trading. But mostly I'm more focused on having a price slash, like a massive discount slash on these two services, mentorship program and Signal. I'll be giving massive slash for, I don't know if I should hold it till the end of this month or I should just do it till my birthday. I really can't tell. I really can't say. But the month of March is my birthday and it's my birth month. And I want to just reach out to a lot of people I can reach out to. I can't really share our cash to everybody. So the benefit I'll be giving them is giving them a massive slash on my mentorship program and my Signal program. So if you feel the need to be a part of this, send me a DM or just send me a DM on Telegram or on Instagram at Prince_Echo2. Prince_Echo2. Here it is Prince_Echo2. So here's the Instagram. Uh, so this is the Instagram handle here, right? Or send me a DM on Twitter at Prince Echo 2. No underscore, nothing, just Prince Echo 2 all together on Twitter. Send me a DM and I would respond to your messages. So back to what I was saying. So pretty much on DXY, bearish, obviously, since I'm bullish on since I'm bullish on these other pairs, Euro USD and GBP USD. So let me rush down to gold. Let me rush down to gold. I want to catch a trade. So okay, gold had already left us. So I was saying that gold is consolidating for a bit. So we'll sell and buy, which we did last week. I didn't take the I didn't take it personally. I just sent the trade out to my people, my mentees. I sent it out to them while I was teaching them in one of our classes. So this was 1:5.5 and it was a sweet trade. We sold. When we sold, wanted buying, but I missed this trade, but I'm not rushing, no pressure. Already know how I trade, no pressure. I don't chase the market. Allow the market come to me. So for now, for gold, no clear setup for me on this guy. Let's see New York session. We might have a setup or we might have a trade to take. But yeah, for Euro USD bullish, GBP USD bullish, DXY bearish, gold inconclusive, right? So that's just my bias for this week on this guy. As you already know, Echo is active. See you guys.